Every night before I sleep, I read the Bible and I attain wisdom. But when I wake up in the morning, I get lost in the world. Priorities shift. My body and my mind take control. I have fun. I chase my selfish goals. But unconsciously, my soul transcends all and shines for everyone to see. They look at me and they see love. They look at me and they see joy. They see peace, patience, kindness. They see goodness. They see faithfulness, gentleness, and they see self-control. They love me. They are inspired by me. They want to be like me. That's why all my plans, all my goals, and all my prayers are bearing fruit. All this happens because I'm an imperfect son of God, and He knows it. That's why He died on the cross for my sins, and that's why I love Him almost as much as He loves me. That's why I don't even pretend to be perfect. That's why I always give Him the glory. Because even though I don't deserve to be let into His presence, even though I don't even deserve the right to talk to Him, consult Him, and praise Him, He lets me. Jesus was ridiculed, beaten, and nailed to the cross because He loves me eternally, unconditionally. And that right there is my redemption. I see the light. I see the light.